Hello trader, welcome once again to Forex Trade 1. So today in this video we will see how this level trading indicator works and how it synchronizes with our 20 in 1 trend indicator. So we will see each and everything. So here we have taken the example of XAUSD signal, which you can see here, and the time frame is used H4, which you can see here. It doesn't mean that it does not work with other time frames, but here for the example we have taken H4 timeline. So as you can see, these are the resistance line, which means that you can sell from these lines. This is resistance level, this is also resistance level, and these are the support level, this is also support level. So it means that when you see this blue lining, this indicates the support, and this red line indicates resistance level. Okay, we can see the same thing in GBP USD. I have just for the sake of understanding, you can see here these are all these this is M15. Here you can see this is M15 time frame. So time frame matters a lot. So this is all resistance in M15. If you change to day trading, then you will see how drastically it changes. Now you can see the levels have already changed. You can see now there is only one resistance, and these are four support lines. So this is how this level trading indicator works. We also have been using this level trading since quite long. So I would like to show you that how it synchronizes with our level trading strategy. So here we will click on XAUSD. Now if you can see here, let me just click this, so it should be properly visible to you. So if you can see here, these are the support line that we have indicated here. These are all the support line. We have this MSS, MSR and MST lines. So what it means that these are the major support level for rollover traders. So these are the MSR2, which you can see here, we already have indicated. These are the major support for swing traders, so which has already been indicated here, and these three are for day traders, which we have already indicated here. So we have distributed our trading levels into day trading for swing traders and for positional or rollover traders. We can see for each week this chart we can see here. For this is August 20 week 4 chart. I can zoom it for you. You can see here, you can see the MSD3 for the August 20. This chart was prepared. Now we can click here, and it will scroll through all these weekly charts, our trend charts. Now we will see the hedging pair GBP USD. Now here you can see this, this hedging pair is now divided into these two. This is the sell GBP against buy XAUSD. This is hedge. So sell GBP is hedge against buy XAUSD. So these are all the daily charts, which you can see here, how we have traded and how we have utilized these levels. You can see all this with Telegram proof, with Twitter link proof, with YouTube link proof. So if you click here, the video for the same day will appear here, and we will just, you can see here. Okay, now we'll close it for the time being. So this is trend breakout strategy along with level trading. So it is precisely synchronized with our trend indicator, which you can see here, let me just change it. Which you can see here, this support line is, it is matching almost. You can check here. Now we will see XAUSD. So you will be able to see, now this is in H4 chart. So you can see here, this is the indicator, our 20 in 1 trend indicator, which is in perfectly sync with our level trading indicator, which you can see here. So almost 85 to 90% it is matching with our system and strategy, and we have developed this strategy, and we have created this both indicator into one, which you can of course you can utilize in your trading, and you can earn 25% to 30% on daily basis using this level and trend indicator. So this is very unique. This coding is not easy. After years of experience, years of practical trading experience, we have embedded our experience into this one plugin, which will help you eventually earn the profit in forex market. Now what you can do is, if you are buying, say for example your capital is $10,000, okay, so what you can do, you can use 4 to 5 signals with one lot. But if you want to use more currency, like if you want to use 10 to 15 signals, then you can use 0.1 lot size. If you want to use 30 to 50 signal pairs, currency pairs, then you can use 0.01 with 10,000 USD lot size. The reason, because it will create almost 30 to 40% risk, 30% near risk, but the output will give you almost 100% to 600% ROI. Now how? So let us take the example of one lot, 10,000 US dollar. So 10,000 US dollar capital, and we take one lot in 4 to 5 signals. So your risk, if you calculate 5 point of risk with our strategy, then one lot equals to 100 USD profit or loss. Now with 5 point in each, with 5 point it would be 500 USD loss. Now if you consider GBP USD, you can keep 20 pip SL, which would with 20 pip risk, which would bring around 200 USD risk. So if you calculate, like 4 to 5, now each signal, if we take average, it would be around 300 USD per signal loss. per signal, loss per signal. So if you take 4 to 5, then it would be around 1500 USD risk. But against this 1500 USD risk, you get around profit. If you calculate the profit, so as per 1:5 risk reward, so if we keep 5 points of SL, then 25 points would be our minimum reward, minimum. So in that case, against 500 USD risk, our profit target is 2500 USD. Against the risk of 200 USD in GBP, our reward would be 1000 USD. So likewise, as we told you that with 15 to 30% risk, you can expect 100% to 600% ROI, which we had previously proven. So now this is this video about the trend indicator we had previously explained. You can find this video here on our YouTube channel. I will just click and I will show you. So you can view this video here. It will give you a complete explanation that how our trend indicator can help you in forex market. You can check here, all the complete detail is already here explained in this video. So this level trading indicator and this trend indicator, if you mix both, you get almost near to 98 to 99% accuracy. You will never make loss with our fixed risk and reward pattern. To get more detail about our strategy and how to get these two indicators, feel free to ask us and our executive will guide you. We wish you a very happy week ahead. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.